Looking for the best welding sleeves? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 welding sleeves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Tillman, Heavyweight Sleeves. Bourbon brown side split cowhide sleeves will maintain their appearance for an extended period of time. Sewn with Kevlar thread to limit the risk of ripping and tearing. Made with external elastic at both ends, which means you should have no trouble securing the sleeves to your arms. These Weldas sleeves are expertly crafted from superior materials for long-lasting durability. Elastic cuffs may be uncomfortable at times. Cut tends to run small, and the sleeves may not extend above the biceps for some users. At number 2. Weldas, Welding Sleeves. Golden brown leather construction ensures the sleeves can serve you well both now and in the future. Heat-resistant sleeves offer amazing protection. Designed to provide a snug, comfortable fit for both men and women, tend to last longer than cotton sleeves. These welding sleeves offer a perfect combination of quality and affordability. Fit may be too tight for some users. Elastic cuffs may break due to extended use. At number 1. US Forge, Weldas Sleeves. Made from flame retardant, 100% cotton proben FR7A, ensuring the sleeves are constructed to last. Washable for added convenience. Each green firestop cotton sleeve is both comfortable and versatile. Sold as a pair to deliver outstanding value. These top-notch Weldas sleeves will protect you against sudden flame exposure, molten splash and sparks. The sleeves' elastic bands and seams tend to wear down over time. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.